And there you have your vault. So today we'll be making a Lego vault. And here we are joined by my cousin Emmanuel. He's shy, so get out of here. Get out of here. So first you'll need, for the base, a rectangular gray piece, some dots to customize your vault, and also this piece. First, you add this piece on, like this. And then you add this kind of piece on too. Then, as the dots I said from before, we have to add them onto here. And do it for all of the rest. Like this. And then next you'll need this piece right here and these two pieces. And as you can see, it's uneven, so you should add this small piece right here. So first we put this piece in the side of it like this. And then we grab these two pieces and place it together. And then we put it in here. Now, we'll need a piece like this and place the thing here. And there's a hole, it's for a reason. You place down this piece, flat piece, and there you have your vault. But then, there's a hole. This hole you can fit tiny stuff